Tired of rocking that Riot ID your 12-year-old self thought was cool? Let's get you a name that strikes fear into the hearts of your enemies, or at least one that's a little less embarrassing. Alright agents, first things first, you can't actually change your name directly within Valorant. Instead, you'll be modifying your Riot ID, which is the name displayed in-game. The easiest way to do this is by heading over to the Riot Games website. Just Google Riot Account Management and log in with your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Riot ID displayed prominently. See that little pencil icon next to your current Riot ID? That's your golden ticket. Click on it. This will bring up a window where you can enter your desired Riot ID. Remember, this is what everyone will see in-game, so choose wisely. Also, pick a tagline that's the hash followed by 34 letters or numbers. This can be anything you want and helps distinguish you from other players with similar names. Type in your new Riot ID and tagline. Make sure your ID is available and follows Riot's naming guidelines. No profanity or impersonation, please. Once you're happy with your new ID and tagline, click Save Changes. A pop-up might appear to confirm your choice. Just click OK or Confirm. And that's it. Your Riot ID has now been updated. Keep in mind that you can only change your Riot ID once every 30 days, so be sure you're happy with your selection. Now, jump back into Valorant, and your new name should be reflected in-game. Go out there and dominate with your fresh identity.